How to make a flashing freeze frame effect. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to freeze a frame of it and make the screen flash. First, move the playhead to where you want to add your effect, then right-click in your video and select Insert Frame Hold Segment. Then use right arrow key on your keyboard to go forward one frame at a time, and use Razor tool to add 2 cuts and delete the rest of frame hold segment. Now go to Effects panel and search for Strobe Light. Drag and drop Strobe Light effect into your second cut. You can zoom in timeline by holding down the Alt key and scroll wheel in your mouse. With the second cut selected, go to Effect Controls and under Strobe Light. Set the strobe to make layer transparent. Now select the cuts and hold down the Alt key and drag them to the right to create duplicates from them. Do this for how long you want the effect to last. Now drag the rest of the clip to the last cut. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.